Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series, Bodhrán at the Cottage. For this series, I want to do 3 videos of 3 main grooves, 2 jigs and 1 reel, and also do another 3 videos where I make a few changes to the grooves that we already saw, and hopefully I can give you some tips and tricks that I use to give my grooves variation but still keeping the same overall feeling. The really nice thing is that you can use these tricks and these tips in any groove of your liking and also in any tune type of your choice. The aim of this is to freshen up those grooves that you already have or make them easier to play if sometimes they're a little bit tricky, or to give them a little bit more variation and to make it more fun for you to play with, and also perhaps for you to have more options to fit the music better. I hope you guys enjoy the series and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!